What is up, my loves? Welcome or welcome back to another fucking video. Jesus, I didn't even do my skincare today, y'all, and that's how you can tell. Anyways, we're in a different environment, a different setting that, quite frankly, not sure when I'll be able to talk about it. Anyways, so we're gonna keep it surface leveled. I'm currently in Nevada with my mom, and I'm gonna meet with my friend, a really dear friend of mine. It's really windy as shit, but we're gonna go on this little nearby trail just to walk, you know. So if you guys are interested in this type of vlog, see where fucking the day takes us type shit, then just keep watching. What I should note before arriving, this is gonna be interesting because I have my child, and not just my child, my son, and not just my son now, but my sister, my furry sister. I'm dead. So I have 3 kids. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I kind of needed to bring them because today they're gonna clean or fix my mom's pipes. And Mande. Oh, give me 1 sec. Shit, I already forgot what I was talking about. I had to come in and get my tires checked because one of them was losing air. But I think I was, no, I don't know. I honestly don't know what I was talking about. Anyways, just an FYI, I did come, to get some fresh air, let's just say. Yeah, I had to come all the way to a new state, a whole different state, but this, I guess, falls under like what to do in Vegas too when you're on a budget. And you know what? It's just gas at this point. She's cute. Yeah, just hiking. Fuck. That's basically it. So we're gonna go on the little hiking trail. Honestly, I just want to get out and be around my friends that, no, I really am. That's exciting, and it's felt really nice. It's been a roller coaster. Fuck, this is my 2nd week here, and it's been a roller coaster, honestly, but we're here, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'll see you guys over there because I'm driving now, and don't vlog and drive, guys, okay? Don't try it at home. I'll see you over there. Mira, es un juguete. Wow. ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es, mami? ¿Qué es? ¿Es una casa? Una casita chiquita para los guaguaos. A ver. Mira. da risa. Los pelos. She pees. She pees. Oh my. Hola. She's funny. Yeah, no, so there was absolutely no way I was gonna let you guys go through the original video of this because this day was super, super windy. And the thing is, when we arrived to her house, it was not even windy, and she does live like near the mountains. But once we started driving a little further more, it just started getting super, 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 super windy. So that's how that day went. But my little girl was just having the time of her life, and it made me so happy. We decided to just, this wasn't even a little hike, but it was a little trail. And she was just enjoying it. So we decided to at least walk that little bit. And well, it was nice. It was nice, except for the wind. I mean, I think we were the only ones that were freezing, me and her. But Alana, though she had her cheeks super cold, she was having the time of her life. ¿Verdad que sí? And she's actually here with me right now, but yeah. They did have these plants throughout the trail that we were trying to figure out what they were because one of them kind of looked like a sage. But that's what we were looking for, like the signs that I guess reassured us that they were. But nope, there was a Joshua tree, there was something marigolds, there was different types of of flowers and plants, but the ones that we thought that they were. So there's that. We were about to be the ladies that be going out there and grabbing plants and shit, stealing plants. Los ramitos de flores or de hierbas or rosemary. I mean, they don't have that right there, but I don't know, just yeah, those type of ladies. But anyways, no, there was none of that. And yeah, we just enjoyed this little trail. I think this is the front because on the back end, I believe there is a trail for you to like actually go up the mountain type stuff, but obviously we were not going to do that. It was super fucking windy and I don't think we were going to make it anyways. And we do have a child, so yeah, I got to carry my little bundle of joy wherever I go. So anyone wants to hang out with me, just know I have a little bundle of joy that I am not leaving. I'm not leaving anywhere. But anyways, that was that. And yeah, that's how we were enjoying that little time. I'll let you guys soak up and follow Alana. And this is where our little trail ended, because after that, since we were already on this side of town, we decided to go up a little more. Where, I mean, if you live in Vegas, it like the further east side where like the rich people live. We decided to just go by there, and see the houses. I don't know, I like driving in areas like this because I like to dream and just be actually, I don't know, like go in person kind of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what we were doing. And she was also just telling me how like there's some haunted houses, which I can recall like years ago, someone around Halloween time, I forgot who, but they were inviting me to a haunted house up there. So if you're here in Vegas, like which ones are they? Because I don't know, but like a lot of these houses looked so empty. Like there was a car or two, but there was no life. And I'm over here thinking, maybe it's, the, I don't know, like life happened and it's just one person in a big ass house. I don't know. That's what I was imagining. But like that one right there, I think that one had one car or two cars, but like for maybe a couple or just one person living there, yes, it can definitely look like maybe, nobody lives there type thing, or like the house is dead because it's just too big for one person kind of thing. I don't know. That's what I was imagining. But she was saying that it's haunted. And yeah, so if you're from Vegas, like which ones are they? Because I don't want to know, but I want to know. But I'm not gonna go, but I want to know, kind of thing. Anyways, but yeah, like the further up there we were going, it was already turning into the view. I think we noticed that a lot of streets were closed too. But that one street, which is Lake Mead, the typical street that everyone would take to really see the view, is still open. And I don't know, I was really sad to see that there was so much trash on the sides, where people, usually park to see the view, and I don't know, God knows what else they do. Um, but so much trash, and that was just like crazy to me. But anyways, I guess donde cagan comen. It's a dicho. But yeah, anyways, we were just exploring and looking at all that stuff. And yeah, she was telling me stories and whatnot. But yeah, that's what this day ended up being. Just, I don't know, a little miscellaneous day, I guess, just where the wind takes you. And it was really windy, I'll tell you that. It took us up there. That's how far we went. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. If you guys enjoy these, random videos, I guess give them a thumbs up. And let me know that you guys enjoy the randomness too, and just, I don't know, spontaneous days. And if you don't, by all means, but I hope you guys still enjoy um the randomness. And I will see you guys on the next video. If you're from Vegas, like what other like places can you guys explore being on a budget? Please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this, day. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, bye.